Ever thought of making your own lip balm at home? A DIY lip balm not only saves you money, but also ensures you're using natural ingredients on your lips, and it's easier than you might think. All you need are 3 simple ingredients: shea butter or mango seed butter, coconut oil or a liquid oil such as almond oil or grapeseed oil, and beeswax. Using an equal ratio of these ingredients will create a perfect balance for your lip balm. For example, 2 tablespoons of shea butter, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and 2 tablespoons of beeswax would be a great start. Now gather up a spatula, a glass bowl or measuring cups, your lip balm containers, and optional essential oils or natural colorant for a bit of extra flair. Start by combining all your oils and beeswax into a glass measuring cup. Now we melt the oils and beeswax. This may take a while as beeswax takes the longest to melt. Be patient and give it a quick stir every now and then. You can use a microwave or a double boiler on the stovetop to melt your oils. However, if using a stovetop, always remember to melt in a double boiler under constant supervision to avoid any mishaps. Once your oils have melted, allow them to cool down. Then, it's time to add your natural colorant and essential oils if you're using them. Mix thoroughly to ensure all ingredients blend well together. And there you have it, your very own homemade lip balm. It's as simple as that. No more store-bought lip balms with ingredients you can't even pronounce. Now you can have a lip balm that is not only effective, but also made with ingredients you trust. So today, we have learned that making homemade lip balm is not only achievable, but also a lot of fun. With just 3 main ingredients and a few optional extras, you can create a lip balm that is perfect for you. Remember, melt your oils in beeswax, let them cool down, add your colorant and essential oils, and voila, your homemade lip balm is ready. So why not give it a try? You might just discover a new favorite hobby. Please like, subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell for more inspiring content. Thank you for watching.